Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So those of you who are new, welcome. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. I know it's been a while. Y'all, I've had a lot going on, but listen, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. Excuse my voice because I've had strep throat. Y'all, life is crazy. It's been going on. But anyway, I'm coming on here to show you guys how I did these twists. I'm just going to show you how I did the front left quadrant. And that'll be all I have for today, but stick around. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helps you in some way. And until next time. Okay, for this style, I'll be using the Cuban twist braid double strand style hair from the brand Equal in 24 inches. So as explained in my intro, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install these twists with only the front left quadrant of my hair. And with this large section, I'm going to be parting it into 4 equal sections, starting at the bottom. And I'll be parting this bottom section into 2 different parts, which I'll create 2 twists with. So I'll show you that now. I'll start using jam around my edges, and then I will separate that section into 2. And then I will take the ends of the twist hair and I'll separate it so that when I twist all the way to the bottom, the hair will taper off naturally. So I'll be starting the twist off as a twist instead of braiding it. So I'll twist one side and then I'll twist the other side. I'll kind of like bring the other side over and I'll twist that side. And then I'll start creating my rope twist. It's important that both sides are twisted so that the hair can stay tight at the root. I'm going to take this twist all the way down, making sure to twist as I twist. Oh yeah, and if you're liking this content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. So then I'm going to move on to the next twist, and I'll just repeat the same process. I've already placed the jam on my edges. I'm separating the ends so that the twist tapers naturally. Then I'm going to go ahead and twist the first side, loop the other side around, and twist the other side. And then I'll twist both sides with each other and twist all the way down. So I'm gonna just stop talking now and let you guys watch the process. So I'm slowing this part down because this is a technique that I use to ensure that there's no tension on my roots when I'm twisting. So sometimes I notice that there's tension, and when there is, I want to alleviate that. So I always take a clip and clip it onto the previous twist, and that immediately relieves the tension at the root if I feel like a strand of hair pulling. So yeah, just a side note. So now that I'm finished with my hair, I always like to decorate one twist with some string, whether it be gold, pink, whatever color I'm feeling at the time. But I like to do one only because I don't like to go overboard with it. I mean, it's up to you, whatever you would like to do, like when you're decorating your twist, that's your preference. But my preference is to decorate one twist in the front. And that just helps to frame my face and gives my twist some character. Once I'm finished decorating this twist, I'll be all finished. So that's all I have for now. I hope that this video was helpful, and I hope that you guys have a better understanding of how to do these Cuban twists. And until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are always updated on what new videos I have coming out. That is all I have. Thank y'all so much for sticking with me to the end, and ta-ta for now.